Our grant was titled Birds Get Hungry Too. We want to thank the MEF grant. With that, we were able to start our project in the classroom, having the kids learn about the ecosystem. Well, with the grant, it opened their eyes to nature. I mean, lots of times we think that they only learn in the classroom, where we take our learning outside of the classroom, and it opens their eyes to so many possibilities, how they can help nature. It taught them to be nurturing, to be caring. So it's been a great project for kids and parents in Rayburn Elementary. The kids will never forget.